All right, got most of the boxes put away. Went through everything, inventoried everything, missing a few pieces. Got a page of missing parts. Not missing, but a page of backordered parts. So I have some boxes sitting around. These are the ones I'm getting ready to start on doing something to begin with. It is a bit overwhelming where to start, so obviously the manual, the assembly manual is where you should start. It seems like the assembly manual is really a suggestion more than step-by-step, but we'll see when I get a little further in it. I have already read through a complete manual and a basic manual before I even got the car, but so all the packaging materials are packaged into these 3 boxes here. I'm gonna put out with the trash. Looked like Christmas morning Armageddon almost in here. It was loaded with just the paper, the packaging material. But now I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off of everything from the body and get ready to remove the fiberglass body. I guess I'm going to take the trunk panel, door panels, and the hood, probably take those into the basement and wrap them up in some moving blankets here, and then get this body ready to put on the buck. And I have a carpet that I'm going to put up under here, and then I'm going to raise these jack stands up, probably about 2 to 4 inches a piece, and then get started on something. handling fiberglass without gloves. It takes skill. Again, this is not a how-to video. It's just how I do. Another one of the many modifications I'm going to do to the build here is this area here in the dust. You should be able to see that's going to be an opening. It's a cubby where you reach in. I'll put another panel of aluminum back here where it'll block off everything. So as you're driving, well, as you're parked, you should be able to reach in and grab anything that you would have back there. These other circles here are probably 4.5 or 6, maybe 6x9 speakers I'm gonna put in here, 3-way. So that way the Bluetooth mod that I'm gonna make from my cell phone, I should be able to play my music, my Apple Music through. first. Push it back a little bit. Okay, can you come over to the side and pop those sides out? There you go. Now pop the other one in the front. No, the front of the side.
I did that one. I think I did.
Okay, good. Now come over to the driver's side and do the same. Should be both broke free now. Grab up. Oh yeah, go ahead and pull it. I can see that the dash is. It will stop. The dash is up. Just lift up right there a little bit, straight up. Free a little bit. There we go. Go ahead and lift up as high as possible. Whoop, hold it right there. Okay. Stop.
Give me a Brian.
Nope. Still. Okay. There we go. Somebody's got a lot lighter just then. Alright, set her, whoa, set her straight down. Alright, body's off.
Oh, that was heavy.
It's probably a little over 100 pounds. Now, yeah.